Hey everybody, Rich from Stickies RC. Wanting to say Happy New Year. So looking forward to 2021. Even though we've had some good things happen in 2020, like the growth of the Operation 11 Charlie program. We've had some nice releases. Overall, 2020 has been a dumpster fire. So looking forward to getting out of it, getting into 2021, and getting things rolling. Want to say thank you to everyone who helped support the Operation 11 Charlie program this year, and also all of you for supporting the channel. Truly appreciate it, and I truly hope everyone has a nice, enjoyable evening. Get out, have some fun, spend some time with your family, and celebrate the New Year's, hopefully safely. And we'll see you in 2021.